What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Bart Simpson. Let's begin along the top center page and draw a large circle for the right eye. We'll start right in the middle at the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and pull that back up towards the top. Now over on the left side we're going to draw the nose. We're going to start by curving this out and up, round up the nose, and then bring that back in. Let's draw the left eye tucked in behind the right eye and the nose. So we're going to start from the very top. Draw that same size circle, going all the way around, come down and then in toward the tip of the nose. Let's go to the center of the left eye, add the pupil with a black dot. Now in the center of the right eye, we're going to move over towards the right and add that again. Let's go all the way over towards the left side, curve the mouth coming down and out, round up the mouth, come all the way across. I'm just going to line this up with the outside edge of the right eye. And we'll add a bracket. Let's go halfway along the mouth, draw the lip, coming down and in, and then down towards the neck. Let's round out the collar, coming down and then up. Curve the back of the neck, going up towards the ear, to right about there. Now I'm going to layer the ear on top. So we're going to step over, draw a circle with an open end on the left side. Let's add a curve across the top. And come down the middle. Now I'm going to go back to the top of the left eye on the outside, curve the brow coming up and then in, draw a straight line going up towards the top of the head. Let's go back to the ear. We're going to curve the back of the head, we're going to go up, and then bend that out to right about there. Now we want to close the top with a series of points. We're going to come down and up. Just going to repeat this all the way across towards the right side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the edge of the chest, from the bottom corner of the neck, bend this out and then down towards the belly, bump this out and then back down. Let's go over towards the right corner. Just going to draw a short curve coming down towards the shoulder. And you want to draw the sleeve going in and then down. Go over towards the top, going out and then down along the right side. Let's leave a gap, step in, and add a curve across the sleeve. Let's go back to the left side. We'll step in, draw the edge of the arm coming down at an angle towards the pocket. Go over towards the right, draw a slightly longer line, close off the end with a curve. Now when you go back up to the sleeve, we want to tuck this in behind the arm, just tucking this in underneath that curve. Let's go underneath the sleeve, bend this out, and then down. Now I want to connect the ends of the shirt with a curve coming in behind the arm, continue out on the right side. Now I want to tuck the lower body underneath the shirt. On the left side, step in, goes down, and then across to right about there. On the right side, step in, curve the back side coming in. Let's draw two short lines coming down the side of the shorts, and we'll round out the bottom. Now I'm going to see the edge of the left arm in behind. So we start up here, bend this out and down towards the sleeve, bring this back in, and then just tuck the arm in underneath. Let's go back to the leg. We'll step in, draw two lines coming down the side of the leg towards the cuff, and then we'll round out the bottom. Let's add that thick cuff. From the corners of the leg, just going to add a bracket, and then we'll round out the bottom. Over on the right side, let's draw the heel coming down and out towards the bottom of the foot. Now we want to round up the foot, coming across and then up towards the left, curve this up and then in towards the cuff. Now we want to add a thick sole across the bottom of the foot. So we're going to step up and then trace that same curve going across. Now I want to add a fold across the shorts, across the pocket, coming in. Now I want to tuck the left leg in behind. So we're going to start up here, coming down, curve this in behind. Now I'm going to draw that same leg on the left side. So we start with one line coming down the front of the leg, draw the back side, round up the bottom. Now let's add that cuff, and then round this out. Let's curve the heel in behind. Now I'm going to go over to the left, draw the top of the foot, coming down, goes in behind. I'm just gonna add a thick sole across the bottom, and then we'll sign out art and add a slash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Bart Simpson. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.